Hello guys, we are going to talk about this brand new Vivo X90 Pro, which is going to launch, expected date March 1st, 2023. I will tell you everything about its features, specifications, and is it taking lead with Samsung S23 Ultra. You will know ends of this video. Let's have a look of its unboxing and I will tell everything about this Vivo X90 Pro. So this smartphone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9200. It's the operating system of Vivo. Talking about its key features, that's Zeiss 1-inch main camera, MediaTek Dimensity 9200 version 2 chip, 120-watt dual-cell flash charge, 4K ultra-sensing night video, and 8GB extended RAM. Coming towards camera, Zeiss 1-inch main camera, it effectively reduces ghost image and lens flares to enable more clarity in the image. It has triple camera setup of 50 and 12 megapixels. In front have 32 megapixel camera for clicking best selfie. Coming to its display, it is 6.78-inch display, which amazing to use as multimedia, games, editing, scrolling. And it has 1.07 billion colors true color display with peak brightness 1300 nits, local peak brightness 450 to ppi pixel density. It have 120 Hz refresh rate for smoother playback. X90 Pro have 4800 mAh battery, which charger can 50% charge in just 8 minutes. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.